Good morning, boys and girls. We are in the Wafu guest house and having breakfast.
These are Japanese beds.
We get strength, power for our today march. With our electric bikes, we will go up to Mount Fuji until 1,500 meters, and then we will walk another 1,500 meters to the top. And we are super good prepared, as you can see.
Yeah,
it's close, very nice for hiking.
Yeah,
look at Vova. He will be the first Eastern European
to climb Mount Fuji in a Yukata and a Obi and a Taikeda, I think the shoes are called.
Wooden shoes.
But we got supplies. We got tuna, 2 cans of tuna. Actually, sardines with ginger. I lied. We got plenty of these soy joy bars, mate. These are in case we starts to wither us. When we start withering. But
they're very tasty.
I doubt we need them, to be fair, because once we start walking, mate, I think the hardest bit is going to be the cycle, because it's like really early in the morning and it's quite cold outside. But once we start walking, it should be a piece of cake. We've had two yogurt pots each. We've had like these lovely little buns, and we're just gonna finish with a banana and tea and set off, because we've got 40. Yeah, so we've got 40 kilometers to bike in what's the temperature? 10 degrees. So it's gonna be a tasty one. But yeah, we'll see you on Point Bravo. Right, what's the time?
Head northwest.
Some morning. Some morning dew, mate. Yeah, so got the e-bikes, mate. Plug them in, and I'm gonna set off. Just gonna set the timer. Hopefully we can do it under 2 hours. Yeah, 40 kilometers. So it shouldn't be that difficult.
You have to pay highway fee if you ride a bicycle on the highway.
It says that we're like halfway already, so we're doing good. We saw a beautiful white owl fly over my head. I feel good. Alex is being a bit fat, he can't move his cheeks, mate. If he doesn't pick up the speed, we're gonna start walking. Right, hit 2,004 kilometers. I can't feel my toes, man. They're like frozen from all the cycling. The battery just died in it, so it's the last 400 meters by foot. It's like 6 kilometers left. So here we go. Let's go. Cycled 22 kilometers, and then the last 7 was walked. And now that means 2,300 meters. Take that away from 3,800. My brain can't do maths right now. That 1.5 kilometers. Into that peak, mate. In this bloody gown, dragon skin, mate. Absolute warrior. These bloody clip clops. Shout out to Kyle Champion, mate, for the amazing name. Let's go. Right, yeah, we got 500 yen, so 500 is tails. We got trail to the left and trails to the right. We let the gods decide, the Japanese gods. Right. Well, so what do you call it? What do you want it? Heads or tails?
Head.
Heads. heads left, tails right, and it's heads. Look at that. I haven't even looked at it. It's 3 leaves. It looks like maple leaves. I don't know, you can see that on the camera, maybe in the light. 3 maple leaves there. 500. Right, here we are. We've done 9.4 kilometers, 2 hours of walking, and we are at 9,164 feet. We need to get to 12,460 feet. I've lost Samui and Alex. Alex! Are you still on the same path as me? Oh!
You've got no friends!
Alex is being a bit fat, he can't move his cheeks, mate. Got a friend here, mate. Oh, they can't hear me. Looks like got to carry on, mate. One man army. Yukata style, bro. Yeah, it's pretty mad. All these views, walking, thinking about tribulations, goals, achievements, comebacks, fall downs. It's brain's thinking about a lot. But yeah, it's good though. It's amazing. Walking on volcanic ash, surrounded by amazing greenery. Yeah, mate. Might have bloody tasty that. But yeah, some views. It's 8:15. It's supposed to be the clearest at 9, so I'll check in at that time. Right, the left trail has ended, and now it's gone serious mode, mate. That means bloody top half's coming off. We're going for it. Clip clops all the way. We're 3,500 meters in the air, man. I think we've reached the stratosphere, but I need to fact check that. And Alex, if you hold this, we've got this beautiful source of fresh water.
Oishi desu. Oishi desu.
So good, mate. Oh. Found a little hat on the way. Nice, man. Oh. Yeah. Nature's popsicle, mate. Bloody amazing. 3,500 meters. Woo! So here we are, 12,369 feet. Converted to 3,800 or 3,776 meters, I think. Here on the top of Mount Fuji, mate. Highest mountain I've climbed so far. Got the crater out behind us. We've got my brother Samui. Wave to the camera, Samui. We got Alex falling asleep there. Not enough oxygen. Can't take it, mate. Got my Kinjak. Amazing, mate. Views. You got white rocks, red rocks, yellow rocks. Gotta love them white rocks. God. Unbelievable. It was like a 5 hours 40 climb on foot, 2 hours on bike, so 7.5 hours to get to the top from 801 meters. Just under 3,000 meters. Raw dog, mate. No vehicles. Unbelievable.